morning, welcome back to another day. As you saw in the last episode, we were short that clutch pivot ball, which was really sucky that it wasn't in amongst the rest of the kit. But nonetheless, I called up Kudos Motorsports on the Gold Coast, and Andrew had the Nismo hardened pivot ball in stock, so raced down there over the weekend and he had one all ready to go on the shelf. So we have now got that in, and we're going to get this gearbox in right now. Come on along for the journey and let's get this fitted up. So.
Went to record Vinny and just gave everyone the blinding light.
Vinny is the blinding light. He's so pure, so beautiful. So we have the new lenses here. We've got to pull the guts out of the old lenses still. Just a couple of screws, swap them over into that. We'll clean all that. We'll clean all the inside of this. Got some new Sikaflex back there, and we'll seal them all up and have the new headlights all fitted up tonight. So, inner piece is now connected. We are going to fill all of these gaps up with Sikaflex so that it seals, and then we put that onto there and let it set. So, give you a rough idea of what we've done. We've just fitted that one. Sorry about all this box of junk. I've just got it sitting out of the way. What do you think, Vinny? Hey, what do you think about it, mate? Ignoring me because I had you up in the office for most of the day.
Position.
Alright, can I get you to hold the actual headlight and balance that for me? So I have to come in. Oh no, my big dome isn't in the camera, so that's good. Like, knowing my luck, I've probably just...
said big donut.
My big dome, my head.
I think it can also be a donut.
Look, yeah, fair enough. My big donut then. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this to lock in. It doesn't really didn't want to.
Be careful.
Yeah, I know. How to get that.
Sorry. Just telling my boss what to do.
Yeah. Alrighty, with that, we conclude another episode on the S15. So thank you for coming along for the journey. Please don't forget, if you ever need any parts or if you're looking to get advice or help on your car, don't forget to reach out to us through any of our socials, email, give us a call, and we can help you get a lot of the parts that we've fitted to this S15 and get your car kitted out and looking awesome as well. Alright everyone, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.